Hello everybody, welcome back to our 3set Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily invert screen colors on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first we need to go over to the menu. Now here in the menu, let's go over to preferences, and here right at the bottom we will have the accessibility. Now we have the invert screen colors right here, and we can enable it just like that. As you guys can see, the background's already changed. Now it's white, and here we can change it back. So now I'll show you guys the second way of doing it. As you guys can see, I am on the website of our printer. Let's quickly click on logout, and here we need to select system manager mode and enter our remote UI access pin. If you've got your pin and if you know it, then simply click login. If you forgot yours, then simply configure it again on the printer. Now let's go over to settings and registration, and here we need to go to accessibility settings. Let's click on edit, and here we click on in the invert screen colors. Let's click OK, and now let me quickly show you guys that it worked. So as you guys can see, I did not change it here. As you guys can see, the setting is on in the website and it's off right here. And now as you guys can see, I clicked it and it's on. So we definitely changed it on the website. That's basically the two ways of doing it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.